We also welcome OEM and ODM models. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our sales about your sourcing requirements. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Our products are exported to following regions such as Europe, North America, South America, Asia, Saudi Arabia, Africa, and so on. Shanghai G&T Industry Company Limited will always maintain the core service concept of quality first, technology development, customer supreme, and excellent service, no matter now or in the future, to reassure our customers. Our mission is to become one of the leaders in the industry and a world-class fastener brand. We are willing to advance together with you, creating a grand blueprint for tomorrow.